I am so damn pissed. I'm smiling now. I am so pissed. My hair's ruined. My hair is literally ruined. The stupid barber has literally messed up my hair. I'll show you my hair. Don't worry. Just wait. So in my area, there's this new barber. So I was supposed to try him out. Jamaican barber. Just try him out. See if they were good. I was so wrong. That prick does not know how to cut hair for shit. Well, I thought he was doing a good job. Everything seemed so nice, relaxing, even smelled nice in there. But then he finished. He fucking finished. And I looked into the mirror, and this is what I see. This is what I see. Are you ready? Are you ready? Look at my fucking hair. Look at it. Look. What the fuck is this? Am I right? What the fuck is this? What is it? What is it? My hairline starts here. Look. What the fuck is this? I look like an old man. He's legit fucked my hair. When he finished, this is what he said. In his Jamaican accent, don't worry, darling. It'll grow to the hairstyle you like. The fuck does that mean? What the fuck does that mean? I was so angry. What? My hair's gone. I can't go out anymore. I can't leave my house. What girl wants a guy with old man hair? Literally, I have to stay in my house for about 2 months until this grows back. I told him, shorten the sides, but leave the top how it is. Just shape it up. And he shapes it up like this. What the fuck is this? And guess what he said? He said you didn't specify. Why the fuck do I have to specify? You're a fucking barber, you piece of shit. Oh my god. No, legit. I'm literally gonna find out what this place is called. I'm gonna fucking badmouth them so much. And then he has the fucking decency to say, money please. You know what I did? I paid him half the money. I paid him half the money and I just left. Fucking dick. Fucking prick. Oh. I look like a freaking mutant. I have to wear a hat everywhere now. When I sleep now. Look, what the fuck is this style? Look at it. That's not fucking on. I'm done. And apparently, they have a 5-star rating. On the shop, I saw 5 stars. Now maybe those 5 stars were how shit the place was. Oh my fucking word. But yeah. Oh, I'm really pissed. Oh, I just got a message. You black cunt. You never play FIFA because you suck on virgin dicks. Go and eat a banana, you monkey nigger.